So today we are doing our English grammar. In that chapter number 9, conjunction. Conjunction means what? We have to join the sentence, right? That is used as a and, but, or. There are simple conjunctions are there. So in today we will discuss in detail. Okay. So conjunctions that are the words that join the words, phrases, clauses and the sentence. जैसे कि मीना इज प्लेइंग एंड राहुल इज प्लेइंग, so we can write Meena and Rahul are playing. So we can join this sentence by using the conjunctions, right? The simple example here, examples are given. You can ask Farah or Silpa to help you. या तो आप फरा को पूछो या तो शिल्पा को पूछो. So that is a joining words by putting or as a conjunction. Second is given, Himesh wore a blue t-shirt and a red cap, right? So they have joined with the two sentence or two phrases with and. Next is given, we started out late yet we reached in good time. हमने बहुत लेट स्टार्ट किया था पर स्टिल वी रीच ऑन टाइम, हम टाइम पे खत्म कर लिया वो काम जो भी था वो. Next is given, I don't know what the problem is. I don't know what is the problem. Okay, that you are using also. Madam, I don't know what happened. Right? So that you are using. So that is also one type of conjunction is there, that is join the main clauses and the subordinating clauses. Means subject plus verb से join कर दिया उसने. Next example is given as, while the baby slept. जब बेबी सो गया, mother quickly finished all her work. At that time, mother has finished all the work that is remaining. Okay, so these are also here is adject conjunction is while. जब वो सो गया तब parents has completed all the work. That is nothing but the what conjunction is there. Okay. Now next is given, based on the function, conjunction can be classified into two types. One is given as a coordinating and second is given as a subcoordinating. Okay. So two types of conjunction are there, coordinating and the subcoordinating conjunctions. Okay. Now, first we will discuss about the coordinating conjunction. In that is given, examples are given and, but, or, yet, no, so, etc. These are the examples of the coordinating. So, what do we mean by coordinating? So, whenever we are using the coordinate conjunction, it is help us out to join the two sentence, two words or two phrases. Okay. That either same rank or are grammatically equal or similar. मतलब ये एग्जांपल दिया है, देखो आपको पता है कि आप व्हेन यू आर यूजिंग द एंड, आपको अगर दो चीजों को एक ही सेंटेंस में कन्वर्ट करना है तो यू आर यूजिंग द एंड, राइट? मैं सो गया एंड मैंने ये काम किया, वो व्हाट एवर यू वांट टू जॉइन. सो ये एग्जांपल इज गिवन, द वेटर सोल्ड फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल. उसने फ्रूट भी सोल्ड किया एंड द वेजिटेबल्स आल्सो. मैनी एग्जांपल्स आर गिवन. नेक्स्ट दैट इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट कंजंक्शन, दिस आर यू आर रिलेटेड, राइट? ये आपने पहले भी पढ़ा है, एंड, बट, और, येट, नॉट, नॉर एंड सो पढ़ा है ना पहले आपने. नॉर का मतलब क्या होता है? दोनों में से कुछ भी नहीं किया, मैंने ये भी नहीं किया और ये भी नहीं किया. सो का मतलब मेरा होमवर्क नहीं हुआ, सो आई गॉट पनिशमेंट. So at that time we are using the so, right? Now most important is that either or, both and, neither nor and not only but. These conjunctions are very important. ओके. आइदर और का मतलब क्या होता है? दो में से कोई भी एक, का तो आप ये चूज करो का तो दूसरा चूज करो. दैट इज टू रिप्रेजेंट दैट थिंग वी आर यूजिंग आइदर और. नाउ सेकंड इज गिवन नाइदर नॉर. उसका मतलब क्या है? दोनों में से कुछ भी नहीं. आई नाइदर वांट टी और नॉर कॉफी. ये चाय भी नहीं पीनी है और कॉफी भी नहीं पीनी है. एट दैट टाइम वी आर यूजिंग द नाइदर नॉर. ओके. नाइदर, both and. So here example is given of both and. In just 2 hours, Mary's both repaired the car and cut firewood. तो उसी टाइम पे उसने दोनों काम साथ में कर लिया. At that time we are using the both and. Okay. आइदर और का मतलब उन्होंने एक ही काम किया. नाइदर और का मतलब दोनों में से एक भी काम नहीं हुआ. ओके. चलो नेक्स्ट, नॉट ओनली बट. So example is given that Tanya not only writes well but also makes great presentation. तो वो अच्छा लिखती नहीं है पर उसके साथ वो उसको रिप्रेजेंट भी अच्छे से करती है. So बराबर, तो वो एनहांस करती है उसकी एक्टिविटीज को. So to enhance something we are using mostly not only and but. Understood this much? Okay, so these all are the examples of coordinating conjunctions. Now, first is given as a Suman join the following sentence using appropriate coordinators is given. Okay, so what you are going to use it here? First question is that Suman was not well. She came for the program. So what would be the answer?
So,
Just a minute. So what will become as a yet? Suman was not well, yet she came for the program. आप उसमें but भी यूज कर सकते हो, मतलब सुमन कैन नॉट वेल बट सी केम फॉर द प्रोग्राम. वो अच्छी नहीं थी फिर भी वो आई. So you can use either yet, but or still. मतलब ये भी बन सकता है सुमन was not well, still she came for the program. So all the three preposition conjunction you can use, you can apply for this. Okay. So shall I dictate one more time? Ki you have to just remove the full stop and put either but, still or yet. Okay. And remaining sentence will remain as it is. Understood this much? Okay. Now second number. Our zoo houses a panda. It houses a koala. So what you are going to use? एंड दो है सेम सेंटेंस है, दोनों को ऐड कर देना है, राइट? इट इज यूज फॉर द अवर जू ओनली. सो व्हाट विल बिकम द आंसर? टेल मी कशिश, माही, हिनल, रचित, कोई भी एक आंसर बोलो. बोलो.
मैम शायद से एंड आएगा.
हाँ,
दोनों सेंटेंस को ज्वाइन करना.
हाँ, एंड ही आएगा. नाउ ज्वाइन द सेंटेंस एंड टेल मी द फाइनल आंसर. Just a minute. Battery is low. I just will repeat all the answers again. Okay. So third one will be tomorrow is a holy day, but some people will be working. Okay. And next will come tomorrow is a holy day, so you may finish your work today. Okay. That would be the answer and difference between two and so and what. Understood, Mahi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next now. Fifth number, Susil did not apply for engineering. He did not apply for medicine. So what will come? Neither nor.
Neither nor.
Right, very good.
Yet.
So we become Susil. नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है और नाइदर भी रिप्रेजेंट करता है नेगेटिव को, तो डिड नॉट को आपको रिमूव करना है. सुशील अप्लाइड, ईडी लगेगा, APPLIED. Susil applied neither for engineering nor for medicine. Okay. Or you can write Susil applied for neither medicines or neither engineering nor medicines. Okay. Now next, Kamal is an. हाँ बोलो.
Again repeat करिए ना.
Okay. Susil applied, APPLIED. Okay. Susil applied for neither engineering nor medicine. Now, okay, chalo. Next now, 6th number. Kamal is on leave today. Asif is on leave today. Simple. What you are going to join it now? And yes or no? So Kamal, आप both यूज करोगे तो अच्छा लगेगा. So आप लिखो both Kamal and Asif are on leave today. दोनों आज लीव पे है, राइट? बोथ कमल एंड आसिफ आर विल कम, क्योंकि दो हो गए प्लूरल हो गया, राइट? आर on leave today. Understood? Now 7th number. You can hire a cab, and second sentence is given you can drive there yourself. तो ऑप्शन दे रहे हैं आपको, का तो आप कैब लेके जाओ या तो फिर अपने आप ड्राइव करके जाओ, राइट? सो इट इज गिवन एज अ ऑप्शन, सो यू हैव टू यूज आइदर और. You can either hire a cab or drive there yourself. Understood? You can either hire a cab or drive there yourself. Clear? Okay. Now next. Sunil has not washed the plates. Sunil has not watered the plants. तो दोनों में से उसने कोई भी काम नहीं किया, right? So what will come?
Neither nor.
Very good. Neither nor will come. Sunil has neither washed the plates nor watered the plants. दोनों में से कोई भी काम उसने नहीं किया है. So will become Sunil has neither washed the plates nor watered the plants. Clear? For the functions of coordinators. So what is the function of these coordinators? That is given. So let's understand now this exercise A. You have to complete a textbook only. Okay, complete a textbook. क्या तो फिर नोटबुक में करोगे? What will
नोटबुक
be?
में.
हाँ, नोटबुक में करना, क्योंकि टेक्स्ट बुक में तो अभी आपने जो किया है वो किया है, बट पैर कर लेना उसको. नेक्स्ट नाउ, coordinators may simply join or add one sentence to another. Such coordinators are called as a cumulative coordinators. Means in the maths आपने भी पढ़ा होगा कि cumulative properties होती है, right? Simply किसी को add करने के लिए we are using this property in the maths. So same thing is in the English grammar also. So a cumulative property is there. Cumulative coordinators are there. They will join the two sentence or one statement. Okay, one statement to the another statement that is given. So examples are given. Mother was working in the kitchen, father washed the clothes. So they have joined with the so, mahika. Mother was working in the kitchen, so father washed the clothes. वो काम अंदर कर रहे तो उनको दूसरा काम करना ही पड़ेगा. So he has washed the clothes. Okay, second is given. I learned French. I learned Russian also. So he has joined I learned French as well as the Russian. Okay, so these are the cumulative coordinators that we join this one statement to the another statement. Okay, now to show contrast, कि मैंने किया है आपने नहीं किया, contrast between the two statements we are using as the adversative coordinators. Means we have show the opposite working, contrast of the sentence or statement. Example is given. I played the sitar, my friend sang. मैं गाना गा रहा हूँ, my friend is singing, and I was played the sitar. So it is, तो वो ऐसा होगा, I played the sitar while my friends sing. जब मैं गाना गा रहा था तो वो क्या कर रहा था? सितार बजा रहा था, in short. Next, Salman brought a car, he did not drive it. So he has a car, but he is not driving this car. So become opposite one, contrast. So we are using the but. Salman brought a car, but he did not drive it. Okay, उसने चलाई कभी नहीं गाड़ी. Next, alternative condition. आपको पता है either or and neither nor we are using, right? Alternative. दोनों में से कुछ भी नहीं करना, neither nor. एक करना है either or. Okay. So we are not discussing the examples of that. You know now. Okay. Next, elative conjunctions. So we use some coordinators to suggest an inference of a reason. Reason को show करने के लिए we are using the elative conjunction. So here is given. Tinu felt sleepy. He had eaten too much. तो reason हुआ कि वो क्यों sleepy महसूस कर रही है, because उसने बहुत सारा खाना खा लिया है, right? So what will be the answer? Tinu felt sleepy for he eaten too much. उसने बहुत सारा खाना खाया. That's why the result is she felt sleepy. Okay, second is given. Hari was bored and Hari played video games. So वो बोर हो रहा था, so उसने क्या किया, वीडियो गेम प्ले करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. ओके, so these are the functions of these conjunctions. Okay, now exercise B. Underline the coordinators and write what type they are. Cumulative, adversative, alternative और elative. Okay, underline करना है आपको and सिर्फ उसके नाम लिखने. That will be very easy for you, right? So the first question is that they were excellent sportsmen, yet they could not dance. So what will become?
Yet.
Right. So underline the yet and just beside that write down which type it is. Adversative. Okay. Answer would be adversative. Now, second, my sister had a baby girl and the family was delighted. So and is a conjunction, right? And it is a cumulative conjunction. Okay. Now third one. Gina stays fit for the for she cycle for 5 kilometers every day. So here
For.
for is there. It is a conjunction and it is with type elative conjunction. Okay. Now next. The teachers were knowledgeable as well as dedicated. So what will be the conjunction?
As well
As
as.
well as.
Right. So underline that as well as and which type?
Cumulative.
Right. Cumulative is a conjunction type. Okay. Next. The task was not only difficult but also time consuming. So it will be but also is a conjunction. Okay. And which is type? Type is alternative. Okay. Understood everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, last is given. You may either take the dramatics class or join public speaking.
Either.
Either
Either
or.
or.
Right? Either or would be your conjunction and it is type is
Alternative.
right. Alternative is your answer. Okay. Chalo. Understood? B, you have to come in a textbook only. No need to write in a notebook. Okay. Chalo. Next, explain कर देती हूँ. Okay. Sub coordinators means the first statement is depend upon the another statement. It is called as a subcoordinating. Okay. So although the rainy season is over, we get occasional showers. So here now and then. So two situations are given to you. So it is called as the main clause and second is given. I look on the top of the fridge where mother usually keeps. So two things are there. One is subcoordinating clause and one is the main clause. मीन्स दोनों स्टेटमेंट क्या है, एक दूसरे को इंटर रिलेटेड है कि ये सब कुछ हुआ तो ये सब कुछ होने वाला है. That's why it is called as sub coordinators or coordinative conjunctions. Okay, now let's do in a detail, then we can understand very clearly. In each case above, we know that subcoordinative clause depend upon the main clause. अगर मेन बात नहीं होती तो बाकी की सब कोऑर्डिनेटर की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, राइट? दैट इज दैट. सो subordinative clause is depend upon the main clause. So main clause is preferring as a main statement. So the words, now last 10 minutes are there. So the words all through and where which introduce the subordinative clauses are called as a sub. अगर आप सेंटेंस को where या all through से क्वेश्चन करोगे, you will get the subordinative conjunction. Okay, and examples are through, all through, that, what, because, before, after, unless, which, whom, how, while, and when. These all are the examples of the subordinative conjunctions. Okay, now we will use how they are used. So we are going directly in the table. Subordinative are there, type, and the examples are given. First is given after, also, through, once, as, because, before, until, when. बोलिए, कुछ काम नहीं है ना? हाँ. When, where, if, whether, and why. These all are the single word. Single word मतलब एक ही word explain करेगा पूरा. So these all are the single word subcoordinators. An example is given. We wonder whether you would came. अगर आप आओगे तो मुझे खुशी होगी. Okay, मुझे खुशी कब होगी? When you will come at my home. Okay, so these are the single word conjunctions or single word coordinating conjunctions. Okay, next, compound का मतलब क्या हुआ? Two है. Two words are there together. They are called as the compound verbs. Compound coordinators. Like example, even if two words are joining, that's why they are called as a compound type. Okay, even through, in order that, provided that, rather than, so that, and as if. These all are the compound. Compound means the mixture of or a combination of two words is called as the compound words. Okay, we हाँ.
मैम वो रेदर देन मतलब क्या होता है?
चलो एग्जाम्पल नहीं दिया है ना. ओके, रादर देन का मतलब क्या होता है? ये इसके बदले आप ये कुछ करते ना तो अच्छा होता, राइट? इसके अलावा मतलब you have completed, you have scored the good mark, but if you have written in the good handwriting, then it will be better. So at that time, this type of situation we can denote to use by this rather than. Okay, now next is a correlative. मतलब दो सेंटेंस के बीच में बहुत सारे वर्ड्स आएंगे. They are correlated to each other. Okay, that is such and that. In between, too many words will come. Here, so that also reason will come in this between. Okay, so they are called a correlative. Example is given. Prabhu was so tired that he fell asleep immediately. So and that के बीच में a couple of words का तो word can come. Okay, so that is called the correlative to each other. Okay, understood this much? Okay, so next we are not going for the phrases collection. Can we directly go for the exercise C now? Can we start now exercise C? समझ में आया थोड़ा थोड़ा? ये बाकी का आप exercise में समझ लोगे. Okay, चलो let's move on ahead. Underline the conjunction and write whether they are coordinating or subcoordinating. कर सकते हो अपने आप होमवर्क में?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, ट्राई
Yes,
करना
ma'am.
कि हाँ वो कोऑर्डिनेटिव है या सब कोऑर्डिनेटिव. दैट यू कैन डू इट एज अ होमवर्क. ओके, वन होमवर्क आई एम गिविंग यू. ओके, सेकंड नाउ डी नंबर, fill in the blanks, just we are doing it. The children quickly finished their work as they could go out for play. What will be the answer? So that. Okay, the children quickly finish their work so that they can go for the play. So answer will be so that. Okay, now second, be careful. What will become? Otherwise you can fall down, right? So otherwise or also you can write, and you can also write or else. Okay, or else you can fall. So आप दोनों में से कोई भी लिख सकते हो. Now third number. There is a life, there is a hope. So what will become? If there is a life, there is a hope. If का I कैपिटल लिखना है आपको पर. Okay, I would be the capital. Now next. Ritu has dash the confidence and dash the courage to participate in the contest. So क्या आएगा? उसके पास दोनों में से कुछ भी नहीं है. So what will become? Neither nor, क्योंकि ना ही कॉन्फिडेंस है और ना ही करेज है. So okay, now fifth number. Dash is a charisma. Dash, पता नहीं. Everybody admire him. So what will come? What will be the answer? Here answer would be such and that. Such is his charisma. I don't know what is charisma, but कुछ है वो काम उसका. And that उसके पास ऐसा कुछ है जिसकी वजह से कोई उसको एडमायर कर रहा है, उससे प्रेरणा ले रहा है. ओके, so such that will come. Okay. Now next. The students were excited as they were going on an expedition. What will become?
That.
That. Very
That.
good. That. Very good. Now 7. Dash Abhishek bats well if is not a good fielder. वो खराब फील्डर है फिर भी. तो what will become? All through. Right? Now 8. Kindly tell me dash your assignment will be completed. कि आपका असाइनमेंट कब खत्म होने वाला है, बोल दो. क्या आएगा?
When.
When. बता दो कि आपका काम कब खत्म होगा. Now Rahul dash called dash visited us when he was in Delhi. So उससे दो में
Neither nor.
हाँ, neither कुछ भी नहीं किया तो neither and nor will come. Okay. Now 10th and last one. Dash we plan now, we will not succeed.
Unless.
Very good. जब तक हम प्लान नहीं बनाएंगे तब तक वो सक्सेस नहीं होने वाला है. Right? So like this way we have completed this conjunctions chapter whole. Understood everybody now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.